Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today's tutorial is about how we can see important announcements on GoogieHost. Let's get started. Open your browser, go to the GoogieHost website, click on Sign In, enter your registered email and password. Click on Login. After logging in, you will be redirected to the Client Area dashboard. In the top menu of the dashboard, you will see the Support section. Click on Support. In the Support menu, click on the Announcements option. Here you will find all the important updates and notices from GoogieHost. Open the latest announcements to read the details. This is where maintenance updates, service updates, and other important notices are shared. From here, you can always check the latest announcements from GoogieHost. If you face any issue related to GoogieHost, you can directly raise a support ticket. To raise a support ticket, simply go to the homepage and look for the Open Ticket option. Our professional technical and sales teams will review your request and provide you with a proper solution as quickly as possible. I hope this tutorial was very helpful for you. If you have found this helpful, please leave a like and make sure to subscribe to our channel.